Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to verify basic eligibility and app state before deeper fixes. First, confirm you meet TikTok Live requirements. Follower count, age, and no restrictions. Once done, update the app and fully restart your device to clear cache state. Next, make sure your account is set to Pro or Creator. This exposes live tools. If you have multiple accounts, you must be on the exact account that hosted events. These early steps remove common blockers and let you proceed to diagnostics. Now dig into the event pipeline to find where registration fails. Go to Creator Tools and open Live Events, inspect each event status and whether it shows as unregistered. Then examine the event's metadata, scheduled time, region or age restrictions, and any co-host invites because conflicts there block registration. After verifying, clear TikTok cache or reinstall, log back in, and attempt to register again. If registration still fails, note any error messages for the final troubleshooting step. To finish, recreate the live event using minimal settings, no co-hosts, broad region, and a short duration, so you can confirm the registration flow works. Once the new event registers, migrate details back to the intended event. If problems persist, compile screenshots, timestamps, and the event ID and contact TikTok support. Escalate through in-app help to get logs reviewed. One key troubleshooting tip: create a private test event first. That isolates issues without affecting your audience and speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.